Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, a man piles 272 logs in a layer so that the top layer contains 2 logs and each lower layer has 2 more logs than the layer above. How many layers it has? This is arithmetic sequence. Two, 4, 6 and so on. The nth term of an arithmetic sequence is given by a of n equals to a of 1 plus n minus 1 into d, where a1 is first term. Here, from given information, first term is 2 and d is common difference. We can observe here common difference is 2 again. So, an will be a of 1, that is 2 plus n minus 1 into d means 2. So it is 2 plus 2n minus 2. It is 2n. The sum of the first n terms of the sequence is, by using this we can find number of layers is Sn equals to n by 2 a of 1 plus a of n. Now here we have given Sn is number of logs, that is 272 equals to n by 2 n by 2 a of 1 means 2 plus an is 2n. So solving this we get a quadratic equation like n square plus n minus 272 equals to 0. So, by using the formula for the roots of quadratic equation, we will get the factors like n minus 16 and n plus 17 equals to 0. That is, n equals to 16 and n equals to minus 17. Take a positive solution. That is, n equals to 16. Hence, there are 16 layers. That is, our correct option is option D.